Friends, now here is the step-by-step simplification of this math problem by using BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule says first we solve bracket, small bracket, curly bracket, then square bracket. O stands for ob, we convert into multiplication, we solve roots and exponents. D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Now according to this BODMAS sequence, we'll break it down this expression by the step-by-step solution. Now the first step. First we solve inner round brackets. Now in the inner round brackets is 6 plus 2. It becomes 8. According to this step, innermost brackets always take the highest priority. And now the current expression becomes 40% of square bracket 500 minus curly braces 25 multiply by 8 brackets of and plus 6 power cube. Move to the next step. According to the next step, we solve curly braces. In curly braces, we have to multiply 25 multiplied by 8. It will become 200. According to this step, we move outward to the next set of brackets. And now the current expression becomes 40% of square bracket 500 minus 200 square bracket of plus 6 power cube. Move to the next step. Now solve the square brackets. Now in this square brackets there is a subtraction. 500 minus 200, it becomes 300. According to this step, just clear the final layer of brackets B. And now the current expression becomes 40% of 300 plus 6 power cube. Move to the next step. Order exponents. So now there is a 6 power cube. We calculate 6 power cube 6 multiply by 6 multiply by 6. We'll get 216 as a result. According to this step, power must be evaluated before applying the percentage or addition. And now the current expression becomes 40% of 300 plus 216. Move to the next step. Off. There is a off operator. Percentage we calculate 40 multiply by 300. So we calculated 40 multiply 300 upon 100. We cut it down 2 zeros and after multiplying we'll get 120. According to this step, off represents multiplication associated with percentage and solved before addition. And now the current expression becomes 120 plus 216. Now the next step, finally we add the numbers together. So 120 plus 216 will get 336 as a final result. This is the final addition, finishes the calculations. According to this expression, by using the BODMAS sequence, the final result of this expression is 336 and I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Bye-bye.